How to check Wi-Fi password on ASUS laptop. Hey, I'm Aston. Ever set up your Wi-Fi to connect on its own, like I do, and then totally blank on the password? Don't worry, I'm here to help. Whether you're trying to share your Wi-Fi with friends or just need a quick reminder, I'll walk you through 2 easy methods to find any Wi-Fi password stored on your ASUS laptop. First way, check through the settings. Make sure your ASUS laptop is connected to the Wi-Fi network for which you need the password. Right-click the network icon in the taskbar and select Network and Internet Settings. Enter Wi-Fi properties. Next, click on Show to reveal your Wi-Fi password. You can even scan the QR code to connect to this Wi-Fi network effortlessly. Or you can find Advanced Wi-Fi Network Properties below. Click Edit. Switch to the Security tab and reveal your password by checking Show Characters. Now, if you want to try a slightly techie way to retrieve your Wi-Fi password using Command Prompt, type CMD and bring up Command Prompt. Type in the command. Swap your network name and enter. The Wi-Fi password is located in the Key Content field within the Security Settings category. Now you're ready to share that Wi-Fi love with friends, or just keep it handy for yourself. Oh, one more thing. The command is available in the ASUS support link. Visit us to explore more. Welcome to subscribe to our ASUS support channel. Like the video and share your comment below. We are happy to provide you with more useful information.